Would you like to make a vegetarian sandwich? I have an easy and absolutely tasty recipe for you. Start with finely chopping the mushrooms and half of onion.
Season with salt and black pepper. Add a drizzle of vegetable oil and mix everything together. Air dry the mixture at 160 degrees for 12 minutes. Meanwhile, use a glass to cut a hole in the center of 4 slices of sandwich bread. Place 4 whole slices of bread into the air fryer basket and top each one with a slice of cheese. Now, place the bread slices with the holes on the top. Fill each opening with the cooked mushroom and onion mixture. Crack 1 egg into each center. Now cook those sandwiches for 12 minutes at 160 degrees. Finish with another slice of cheese on top and air fry for 1 or 2 more minutes at 180 degrees until perfectly melted. If you like the recipes I share, please hit like and subscribe buttons. You will greatly help me to develop this channel. Now let's check the sandwiches. Crispy bread, melted cheese, savory mushrooms, and a perfectly cooked egg in every bite. Be sure that this kind of breakfast you will want to make all week long.